flour. You're the Algerian girl. I hope you guys enjoyed today. Oh boy, we're gonna have a lot of fun. Today we are going to do something completely different from the PowerPoint presentations. Today we're going to make Kesra, an Algerian bread recipe. I found this on. Let's get into it.
Okay, so we're gonna make Algerian bread, Algerian Kesra, with these ingredients in front of us. We're going to try to make this without any mistakes. I'm joking. Making mistakes is the way to learn. Anyway, so we got some flour in the back, some olive oil, some salt, like this makes the bread rise, kind of like a baking powder, baking soda kind of thing. And obviously the semolina. We're gonna need that to make all the kesra. Anyways, I hope we have a wonderful experience, and I hope you guys make it with me. We'll make it together and learn how to make it. Obviously we're gonna need a bowl and some measuring cups and some water. Anyways, we're gonna make it and we're gonna try to recreate it in our own way. Anyways, stay tuned.
1 medium-sized bowl, put 2 cups of whole wheat flour, and then 1 cup of semolina. And then after that, you put a hole in the middle of the semolina and put some yeast. So put a little bit of yeast in the middle of the semolina, 1 cup of warm water, olive oil, salt, and a little bit of sugar to give it some taste. Okay, so after I put all the ingredients together, I would grease up the pan with vegetable oil so the bread doesn't get stuck to the pan. And then I would manipulate the dough with my hands. I do it for a few minutes, and then I would put it onto the table and knead the dough, and then I would leave it for a little while until I put it into the oven. It's better to knead it before you put it in the oven.
Alright, it's out of the oven now, and it looks really good, and I ate it yesterday. It was very tasty. I like how it is, and I hope you guys tried it out too, and you guys had your adventure as well. And if you guys like any content like this, please subscribe, share, comment. It will benefit you, I promise. Bye.